Here is how you fix the iPhone 16 black screen or deaf or not responding. Now my iPhone 16 works just fine. If yours doesn't, the first way to fix is with the force restart. So the key combination, I'll show it, then we'll do it together, is we click release volume up, then click release volume down, then click and hold the power button until we see the Apple logo. So pause the video, prepare your phone. I'll begin in 3, 2, 1. Click release volume up, click release volume down, click and hold the power button. Keep this one held down, do not release. You won't see anything show up. Just hold the power button down for around 15 to 45 seconds and eventually you should see the power logo show up. The reason why this works when you see power release is because if your iPhone has a black screen, chances are it's actually turned on but the software froze, so doing a force restart will help that out. Now the second way to fix this is if the force restart didn't work. What this means is either the battery cable, the display cable or the charging cable has unplugged from the phone, like the physical connectors. So we can actually plug them back in. So I'm just going to turn off my phone first. The way we plug them back in is on the back of the iPhone. We're going to get 2 thumbs and from the top right we just want to push down as hard as we can on the back of our iPhone 16 and just do this all the way around the back. And so you should hear this loud click sound, and when you hear that click, that means that the connector has been plugged back into the phone. So we'll just go all the way around the back of the iPhone 16 and we'll repeat the exact same for the front of the screen. So just do the full front, and we'll also rest the iPhone 16 on the desk and we're just going to get 2 fingers and we're just going to tap as hard as we can all the way around the back of the iPhone, do the cameras as well, and then we'll repeat the same for the front. So just do the front as well, and then finally get 2 thumbs, just smudge them to the center, repeat that for the back and front, and then just do the force restart. So click release volume up, click release volume down, clicking on the power button. Test if that works. If it doesn't, you want to try just charging the iPhone and see if it has life. You can also test if there's any dust or stuff with your charging port by just getting a brush, rub the brush in the charging port, and if you see dust and stuff come out, then that is the issue. If the second solution doesn't work, then that just means that there's a hardware issue with your iPhone 16, so you want to book your iPhone with Apple to repair it.